Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create folders on Vimeo. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to categorize their videos. And so let's say you have like personal folder and then like a work folder and then an educational folder. Make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So let's go ahead and get to it. So on your Vimeo account, it's going to look like this. Now, it took me a while to actually figure this out, but as far as creating folders from the home page goes, I haven't been able to figure that out. Now, what I did figure out though is that if you go ahead and click on library, this is where you're going to see the new folder option. So if I click on new folder, I'm just going to give this folder a name. So I'm going to save it dogs. Confirm. Now I've created a folder for dogs. Now you could even create new folders within folders, but let me go back home. And now as far as actually categorizing this video, all I've got to do is click on these three dots, move, and then click on dogs, and then move. So that is how to actually create new folders on Vimeo. If you know of a better way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.